Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Sorry for being a little MIA since I went to my mom's place. Not just one reason, guys. Then we went on a vacation and then we had this major renovation work going on at my place. You guys know how it is. It was a big mess, don't ask. So here I am with this look for you guys. It's a full cut crease look. I always go for half cut crease, but I so badly wanted to do a full cut crease. It turned out pretty good. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly get started. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and do hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. But before that, I wanted to tell you guys now that I'm a certified bridal makeup artist. If you guys are on Insta, you must be knowing this couple. Doctors by profession, passionate makeup artists. I'm totally privileged certified by them.
I've prepped my face with the Cetaphil Ultra Light Daily Lotion. I'll leave the product details in the description box down below. Check that out. And I'm applying the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. I know that I've taken a lot of product. I'm gonna evenly spread it all over my face. It just happened, okay? I squeezed and it came out.
For foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'm eating bottle. I don't know if I'm gonna get a new one. I've recently bought two new foundations. I already have MAC and Maybelline, so I'm not sure about this one. So yeah, I'm just blending that product into my skin. Then I'm using the LA Girl HD concealer under my eyes, and this has been my go-to concealer. Like every time I want to conceal my under eyes, I go for this product and then I use any other to highlight. I have bought few skincare and makeup products which I haven't tried during Nykaa sale, so I'll be doing a haul very soon.
And
Highlighting
I'm
the
blending
usual
that all
areas with
out.
the
I'm using
Maybelline
a
Fit Me
flat brush
concealer.
today.
This is the cheapest brush I got from a local market, so I just wanted to see how this works. I think it works pretty good. I think it's a decent brush. Moving on to setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm really loving the powder. The effect it gives me, it's non-drying and not heavy at all. And setting the rest of my face using the Nykaa Skin Genius Compact. To bronze up, I'm using the NYX Matte Bronzer and I'm not contouring today. I'm contouring my nose using an eyeshadow blending brush. And for blush, I'm using a warm corally shade from Juvias Place Magic Palette. It's an eyeshadow, but I'm using it as a blush. I really like this color, so I thought I'll why not as a blush. I'm gonna add that to the apples of my cheek and drag it towards the contour, basically focusing on my cheekbones. And now I look like a clown just toning it down with a foundation brush. This is a little tip for you guys. If you use a beauty blender or a foundation brush, with whatever foundation is left over on the tool, will just tone down the pigment, blush, highlighter, contour, be anything, okay? Before I move on to eye makeup, I just want to add some glow to my face. For that, I'm using the NYX Away Glow Liquid Highlighter. This just gives you a very natural glow to your face. You can just stop here, but I will definitely add powder highlighter. Moving on to eyes, I'm gonna prep my eyelid using the MAC Paint Pot and laying low. So this just acts as a base for your eyeshadow to stick on and last long, okay? To begin with, I'm taking the shade Nana and I'm just gonna apply this to the crease as a transition shade. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna move on and apply the shade Zulu from Mini Masquerade palette to my crease to darken the crease area and create some depth. I'm just slowly building up this color to intensify my crease to have that sharp cut. Now I'm taking a pointed smudger brush and adding the same dark color to my crease, kind of blending that out. Can you see how I'm slowly building up this color? You can get it on your lid. It's okay. We are gonna clean it up anyway. It's easier that way. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some Fit Me concealer. You can use any concealer. I'm just gonna take eyeliner brush and start carving out my lid. I'm using the eyeliner brush to get the best precision anyway. So this step is a little bit tricky. Do it slowly, step by step. Go all the way out for full cut crease. I'm gonna take the Casey shade and set my entire eyelid where I've applied concealer. You can obviously apply any shade you want, like shimmer, glitter, matte. I've chosen matte. Retouching my brows and moving on to wing liner. For this, I'm using the Nykaa liquid liner and I'm going for a thin wing, really thin liner. Okay, I'm not just gonna draw some crazy bold wing liner for this look. For lashes, I'm taking the Pac Mink Lashes M72. These are so pretty, fluttery. They almost touch my eyebrows, okay, so I use them only for my tutorials. And I use Duo Glue. I'm gonna use Nude Gold for my waterline. Then I'm gonna coat my lashes with some mascara. I smoked out my lower lash line using all the same shades I used on my crease. Sorry, it wasn't recorded. Then to highlight my eye points, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome and Molten Gold, such a beautiful highlighter, you guys. And I'm gonna just pop that on the eye points of my face. Now that I'm done with the highlighter, I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna go first outline my lips, and then for lipstick, I'm gonna go for my favorite combo. First, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Bumble, and then I'm applying the Nykaa Liquid Matte Lipstick in Madras Kaapi. Highlighting the inner corners using a shimmery shadow. So yeah, so that's the final look. I'm really happy that how this full cut crease look turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and do follow me on Insta for more updates. So I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.